What is up, Shimo Nation? It's your boy Shimo here, back with another video. And today's video is the room tour. Now I know you guys are gonna say, Sean, you showed us your room yesterday, but I kind of want to get more in depth into my room because I showed you guys the house, but I didn't physically go in more in depth in my room. I showed you guys the house and my parents' bedroom, the bathroom, that sort of thing. But I want to show you guys more into my room. So without further ado, let's get started. So obviously we have the door leading into my room. We got, before we go into the room, I just want to show you this sign. This sign says, "Warning, teenager lives here." And it has an arrow pointing in to my room. So then that way, when you open up the door, like so, it shows you, it gives you a warning that I live here. Which, I'm not that bad to live with, to be honest with you. But, it is what it is. But look at this beautiful room. Look at this beautiful room, my guys and girls. Look at this beautiful room. Doesn't it look amazing? So, just to give you guys a little bit of an overview, I'm just skimming right now. Just to give you guys a little bit of an overview. So, obviously, I'm going to give you guys a little bit of room tour. We're going from left to right. Just to give you guys more in depth of, what the room looks like. I know I showed you guys yesterday, but why not? So we got the door obviously leading into my room, which I showed you guys. So like I said, we're going from left to right. So starting off, we got a picture on the wall, a clock on the wall, because who doesn't want a clock on the wall in their room? We got a bookcase, a wired bookcase to be exact. We got Hess trucks, a couple frisbees, my Santa hat, because why not? Bags that go to the Hess trucks, because if you lose the bags, you lose the Hess trucks lose value. But if you have the bags, they stay in value. What else we got here? Picture of lady over here. Batteries to go with the Hess trucks. Down here we got some more Hess trucks right here. We got some other stuff. We got some bracelet making stuff over there. Toy car right here. Charger, which I haven't used yet. John Cena and Triple H figures. Just look at these things. I don't even know why I have these still. Just little stuff. My picture that has the main boys. Obviously, that's me on the left-hand corner. In the middle, it's my friend Matt, and obviously, it's my homeboy Nick on the right. Shout out to you, Nick. Just some books and, stuff for my permanent stuff. Hat that says Jesus is the boss right there. Just a little beanie right there. And then, obviously, the TV on top of the thing. We got a lamp in the room because obviously you guys could tell I have no other light in the room, so you got that obviously. All my awards, they are not in order. They're just, not in spectacular order. Hamper, trash can. Obviously, it would not be Sean's room if it wasn't for your boys wrestlers. So we got stuff up there. I don't know if you guys can see that. You guys got the WWE Universal Championship on the left. You got the WWE Championship on the right. The one on the left is actually Universal. The one on the right is the WWE. All the way in the back, I don't know if you guys can see that. There's pop sockets back there. I don't know if you guys can see that. All across, and then back there is the Money in the Bank. Yeah, and then we have the action figures. Obviously, looks nice. It actually took me an hour and a half just to set these up. Like, it was crazy. Obviously, we got the belts and stuff, chairs and all that good stuff. Let me get down low real quick. Oh, hi guys. Got the other stuff right here. Get more down below. Yeah, nice stuff. And then obviously we have the karate belts. Goes from white to blue. I haven't gone back in a while, so I really need to get back in the karate business because, you know, I want to get all my belts. I want to be a black belt for your boy. We got a John Cena poster right there. As you guys know, I am Christian, so obviously I have John 3:16 above my bed because, you know, why not? Got a poster over there, which I actually handmade that. It looks pretty dope, if I do say so myself. We got the bed. We got stuff along the headboard, stuff in the cubbies, in the headboards, or in the headboard rather. We got Lady over there, R.I.P. in peace, Lady. Like my wallet and stuff, all that good stuff. Got some stuffed animals on my bed because who doesn't have stuffed animals? And obviously the bed, obviously. Over there, we just got some dream catchers. Obviously, the window. Got a window in my room. Thank God for that. Little thing on the windowsill right there. Obviously, the gaming setup. Thank God I can actually have my gaming setup in my room so I don't have to walk, like, all the way upstairs just to play the game, like, my gaming. So, we got the headset right there. We got the big TV as per usual. We got some remotes. This one goes to this TV. I don't know what the freak that one goes to. You guys are following my finger. That's my camera. I haven't been able to put the thing up yet. My controller. Hold on. I just want to look at this controller real quick. I think I showed you guys this before, but look at this controller. This is pretty dope. I'm not gonna lie. It has that soft texture. Looks pretty dope. I picked it up because of it. Now it is wired. That's the only thing that I don't like about it. It's wired. But you know, because you got all these wires down here and you know trip on them and everything. But you know, it is what it is. Got my adapter from my phone. My adapter for my computer, or my laptop rather, for school. Got a just random screwdriver. Obviously, we got the Xbox down here. We got the games over there, and then back here we got the SCUF. I don't think I showed you guys this, but I'm going to show you guys it anyway. Here's the SCUF. I don't really use my SCUF anymore, or I still do, but it's very hard to play Fortnite with a SCUF. So this is technically the original controller that went with the Xbox, and I made it into a SCUF. I don't know why. I thought it would be a lot better, but I was wrong, and obviously I turned it into a wired. I don't know why. I just thought it would look better, and you know, feel better as I'm playing Fortnite. But I was wrong. So things are tied up over here. Yeah, just gonna try and get this out of here. All right, whatever. I'll deal with that later. But yeah, just figuring it out. So that's pretty much the gaming setup. Obviously, I got the game chair. I'm gonna move up gaming chairs because I don't like this gaming chair. I'm gonna probably get another one. I might do an updated gaming setup after I get the new gaming chair. And obviously, you got a dresser because where else are you gonna put your clothes? A phone, a couple other stuff on the dresser over here. Now I have two closets. One over here, and I got one over here. So in this part of the closet, I just got random stuff. Got some drawers, or cabinet space over here. Got some like shoes and wrestling stuff over there, and bracelets over here, and I forget what's in there, like odds and ends stuff. Got the RCs. I definitely want to bring the RC out, and that over there, I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's a drone. So I got the RC. I definitely want to do a video on that for the channel. Also want to bring the drone out. I don't know if you guys can see that. The drone's back there. Yeah, there you go. RC, the drone, and a little plane over there, and just other stuff over there, which we'll get to that in a second. Another cabinet, a wired cabinet to be honest, or a shelf rather, if you want to call it that. Just headphones, gloves, rest of my belts, shoes. I got my slides over here, shoes, basketball, which I haven't found a basketball court yet. Just random stuff over here. Another Bible verse, Proverbs 22:6, good verse. Calendar, other shoes, hat, because why can't I love hats? Apparently, another closet, half of the closet. On the other side, it's just a pump, some games, a football, my clothes, my karate bag, suitcase, other stuff, and my stick for karate, that good stuff, and yeah. And my closet won't close. There we go. And then obviously over here we got a picture of me. I don't know why. It's my art teacher, my 8th grade. It was either my 7th or 8th grade teacher, or even my 6th grade teacher. I don't even remember. All I know is it was in middle school. He drew this for me. Looks pretty dope. I'm not gonna lie. I wish I had those abs. My God. But anyways, guys, that is it for the room tour. Hope you guys enjoy. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Don't forget your video videos of whatever kind. Always get the big smile on your face. Never take it off or turn those notifications so you never miss a new video. See you guys next time. Stay positive. You're awesome. Bye, guys. Peace out. But before I forget, if you're new to the channel and you want to subscribe, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also turn that bell so you don't miss out. Posted down below is the description lines. All my social media. That contains my Instagram, my Snapchat, my Twitter, my Twitch account, my Xbox Live account. If you're in Xbox, you want to go add your boy, that'll be down in the description below. Also down below is the comments. You can go and leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think of the video. If you guys have any video ideas or just anything about me, the channel, let me know down in the comment section below. And let me know what you guys want to see for future videos, whether it's a 24-hour challenge, because I definitely want to do 24-hour challenges on the channel. I definitely want to do some more pranks, challenges, all that good stuff. So let me know down in the comments below if you guys have any video ideas on that stuff. Because I definitely want to bring more hype to the channel as far as, you know, doing more challenges, more pranks, more 24-hour challenges, that sort of thing. So I definitely want to bring more extreme stuff, more interacting, that sort of thing, and just a lot more entertaining stuff that I'm doing now, because, you know, whatever. You know, because I like you know, giving you guys the opportunity to make ideas, and then I'll make you know, things on that. So yeah, guys, that is it. Thank you guys, give it everything. But before I go, I need you to do me 3 things. I need you to hit that thumbs up button as hard as best you can if you guys want to see more videos like this. Number 2, I need you to double switch that post notification so you know exactly when I post them, so you are part of the notification squad. And number 3, I need you to double switch that subscribe button if you aren't, because guys, we're so close to 200 subs, so let's get it. And as always, guys, it's your boy Shop Boy here. Peace.